Welcome to Indore, a bustling city in the heart of India where ancient history intertwines with modern life. But beyond the city's vibrant streets lies a secret world, a tapestry of natural wonders waiting to be explored. Today we embark on a journey to uncover the hidden gems of Indore, where lush forests, cascading waterfalls and serene lakes offer a sanctuary for both wildlife and the human spirit. Our first stop takes us just beyond the city limits to Ralamandal Wildlife Sanctuary, a refuge for an astonishing array of creatures. The sanctuary's diverse habitats, from dry deciduous forests to tranquil lakes, provide shelter for a multitude of species. Listen closely and you might hear the piercing call of the Indian peafowl, its vibrant plumage a dazzling display in the dappled sunlight. The sanctuary is also home to spotted deer, their delicate frames darting through the undergrowth, and if we're fortunate, we might catch a glimpse of the elusive leopard, the apex predator of this ecosystem. Ralamandal is a testament to Indore's commitment to conservation, a place where nature thrives just a stone's throw from the urban sprawl. Our journey now leads us to Patalpani Waterfall, a spectacle of nature's raw power. The water plunges from a height of over 100 feet, its roar echoing through the surrounding valley. Legend has it that the pool at the base of the waterfall is bottomless, its depths shrouded in mystery. During the monsoon season, Patalpani transforms into a raging torrent, its cascade a deafening roar. The surrounding forest teems with life, the air thick with the scent of damp earth and the songs of cicadas. Patalpani is a place to reconnect with the primal forces of nature, to feel dwarfed by the sheer scale and beauty of the natural world. Even in the heart of Indore, nature finds a way to flourish. The Kanch Mandir, a Jain temple renowned for its intricate glasswork, offers a sanctuary of peace and tranquility. Step inside, and you'll be greeted by a riot of color, the walls and ceilings adorned with thousands of shimmering pieces of glass. But it's the temple's surroundings that truly captivate. Lush gardens envelop the temple, their verdant embrace a stark contrast to the bustling city beyond. The air is filled with the sweet scent of jasmine and the gentle chirping of birds, creating an atmosphere of serenity and contemplation. Kanch Mandir reminds us that even in the midst of urban chaos, pockets of peace and natural beauty can be found. Chapter 4, Coral Dam, where tranquility meets adventure. Our quest for Indore's hidden gems takes us to Coral Dam, a picturesque reservoir nestled amidst rolling hills and verdant forests. The dam's placid waters reflect the azure sky, creating a scene of breathtaking beauty. Coral is a haven for those seeking respite from the city's heat and clamor. Here you can rent a boat and glide across the tranquil surface, the only sounds the gentle lapping of water against the hull and the distant calls of birds. The surrounding forests offer ample opportunities for hiking and exploration, their trails leading to hidden waterfalls and panoramic viewpoints. Coral Dam is a testament to the harmonious coexistence of nature and human endeavor. Chapter 5, Gomatgiri, ascending to spiritual heights and natural splendor. Our journey now takes us to Gomatgiri, a hilltop pilgrimage site that offers both spiritual solace and breathtaking views. Located just a few kilometers from the bustling city of Indore, Gomatgiri is a serene escape that attracts pilgrims and tourists alike. The site is dedicated to the Jain community and is named after the 24th Tirthankara, Lord Gomateshwara. As we begin our ascent, the atmosphere starts to change, becoming more tranquil and meditative with each step. As we ascend the steps leading to the summit, we're greeted by the sound of temple bells and the intoxicating scent of incense. The rhythmic chimes of the bells seem to synchronize with our heartbeat, creating a sense of unity and peace. The air is thick with the fragrance of burning incense, a scent that has been used for centuries in spiritual practices to purify the surroundings and elevate the mind. Each step brings us closer to a state of inner calm and reflection. At the top, a giant statue of Gomateshwara, a revered Jain saint, stands tall against the backdrop of the sprawling cityscape. This magnificent statue, carved with intricate details, is a symbol of peace and enlightenment. It serves as a reminder of the spiritual journey that many undertake to seek inner peace and wisdom. The statue's serene expression and towering presence inspire awe and reverence in all who visit. But it's the panoramic vista that truly captivates. From the hilltop, one can see the entire city of Indore spread out like a tapestry, with its buildings, roads and parks forming a complex yet harmonious pattern. The view is especially breathtaking during sunrise and sunset when the sky is painted with hues of orange, pink and purple, casting a magical glow over the city. From this vantage point, we can see the entire city of Indore spread out before us, its buildings shimmering in the sunlight. The city's skyline, with its mix of modern and traditional architecture, tells the story of its rich history and rapid development. The sight of the city from this height gives one a sense of perspective, reminding us of the vastness of the world and our place within it. The surrounding hills, cloaked in a patchwork of green, stretch out toward the horizon, a testament to nature's enduring presence. These hills, with their lush vegetation and diverse wildlife, offer a stark contrast to the urban landscape below. They serve as a reminder of the natural beauty that exists alongside human civilization, a beauty that must be preserved and cherished. Gomat Giri is a place where the spiritual and the natural converge, offering a unique perspective on the city and its surroundings. The temple complex, with its serene ambience and stunning architecture, provides a perfect setting for meditation and reflection. The natural beauty of the hills and the panoramic views of the city create a sense of harmony and balance, making Gomat Giri a truly special place. Whether you come here for spiritual reasons or simply to enjoy the breathtaking views, Gomat Giri offers an experience that is both enriching and unforgettable. Chapter 6. Lalbagh Palace Gardens, a royal retreat in the city's heart. Our final destination takes us to the Lalbagh Palace, a magnificent edifice that harks back to Indore's princely past. This grand structure, with its European architectural influences, stands as a testament to the opulence and grandeur of the Holkar dynasty. The palace, built in the late 19th century, was once the residence of the Holkar Maharajas, and it reflects their taste for luxury and their penchant for European art and culture. The intricate carvings, the majestic columns and the expansive courtyards all speak volumes about the architectural brilliance of that era. But it's the palace's sprawling gardens that truly enchant. Spread over several acres, these gardens are a verdant oasis in the heart of the city. The lush greenery, the meticulously manicured lawns and the vibrant flower beds create a serene and picturesque setting. As you stroll through the gardens, you can almost hear the whispers of history, the stories of royal gatherings, and the laughter of children playing on the lawns. Here, amidst manicured lawns and vibrant flower beds, time seems to slow down. The gardens are a perfect blend of natural beauty and human creativity. Each flower bed is a riot of colors, with flowers of every hue imaginable. The carefully chosen plants and flowers not only add to the aesthetic appeal, but also attract a variety of birds and butterflies, making the gardens a haven for nature lovers. Fountains dance in the sunlight, their gentle spray a welcome respite from the city's heat. These fountains, with their intricate designs and soothing sounds, add a touch of elegance to the gardens. The play of water and light creates a mesmerizing effect, making it a favorite spot for visitors to relax and unwind. The gentle murmur of the water, combined with the rustling of leaves, creates a symphony of nature that is both calming and rejuvenating. Peacocks strut amidst the foliage, their iridescent plumage a dazzling display. These majestic birds, with their vibrant colors and graceful movements, add a touch of royalty to the gardens. Watching them spread their feathers in a magnificent display is a sight to behold. The presence of these peacocks is a reminder of the palace's royal heritage and its connection to nature. The Lalbagh Palace Gardens offer a glimpse into a bygone era, a time when nature was an integral part of royal life. The gardens were not just a place for leisure, but also a symbol of the Maharajas' love for nature and their desire to create a paradise on earth. The historical significance of these gardens is evident in every corner, from the ancient trees that have stood the test of time to the carefully preserved pathways that lead you through this green haven. Today, the gardens serve as a green lung for the city, a place where residents and visitors alike can escape the urban clamour and reconnect with nature's tranquility. The gardens are a popular spot for morning walks, picnics and leisurely strolls. They provide a much-needed respite from the hustle and bustle of city life, offering a peaceful retreat where one can relax and rejuvenate. The Lalbagh Palace Gardens are not just a historical landmark, but also a living, breathing part of the city's heritage, cherished by all who visit. Outro Indore, a city where nature endures. As our journey through Indore's natural wonders comes to an end, we're left with a profound appreciation for this city's unique blend of urban dynamism and natural beauty. Indore is a city that has not turned its back on nature, but has instead embraced it, incorporating green spaces and conservation efforts into its urban fabric. Whether you seek adventure, tranquility, or simply a moment of respite from the hustle and bustle, Indore's natural treasures are sure to captivate your senses and leave a lasting impression. Indore's commitment to preserving its natural environment is evident in its numerous parks, gardens, and green belts that dot the cityscape. These green spaces not only provide a breath of fresh air but also serve as vital habitats for local wildlife. The city has made significant strides in promoting eco-friendly practices, from waste management initiatives to sustainable urban planning. Indore's residents take pride in their city's green initiatives, often participating in community cleanup drives and tree planting events. For those who love the great outdoors, Indore offers a plethora of options. The city is home to several scenic hiking trails that wind through lush forests and offer breathtaking views of the surrounding landscape. Lakes and rivers provide serene spots for boating, fishing, or simply enjoying a peaceful picnic by the water. The city's gardens, with their vibrant flowers and meticulously maintained lawns, are perfect for a leisurely stroll or a quiet moment of reflection. Indore's natural beauty is not just limited to its parks and gardens. The city is also surrounded by several natural reserves and wildlife sanctuaries, where visitors can experience the region's rich biodiversity up close. These protected areas are home to a variety of flora and fauna, making them ideal destinations for nature enthusiasts and wildlife photographers. As we conclude our exploration of Indore's natural wonders, we hope you have been inspired to visit this remarkable city and experience its unique blend of urban and natural environments. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more incredible journeys into the heart of nature.